how to show the so-called My Computer icon on the desktop of Windows 10. In this version of Windows it's not called My Computer, but it's called This PC. To show that icon, right click on the desktop, go to Personalize. Notice the icon has a brush tool there, so don't confuse it with the other one. So Personalize. Then here on the left side, Themes, that also has a brush tool, so click on Themes. Now either scroll down and click on this desktop icon settings, or if you make the window wider, desktop icon settings comes up here, so click on that one, desktop icon settings, and that's the computer. The computer is this will be placed out there. So check the computer, apply it, and that's the My Computer. It's called This PC under Windows 10. So if you uncheck computer and apply it, it disappears. Now there's another way to show the same icon. If you go to the start menu, click on the settings, that wheel, settings, personalization. It's not called Personalize. If you right click on the desktop, it's called Personalize. This one is called Personalization, but the icon is identical. A monitor and a brush tool. Monitor and a brush tool. So Personalization, and also Themes. The brush sign is there. And desktop icon settings. So we access the same window from different places. Check the computer option. Let's close it directly with OK, and there it is. Well, this one is the same as that one. This is called File Explorer. This is called This PC. But it's opening a File Explorer window. So this one is the same as that one. File Explorer. But it's not accessing right away the This PC, which is this one, but it's showing that quick access. But basically you are getting the same thing. So this PC and that File Explorer are the same thing. And this window can be opened by pressing the Windows key on the keyboard, that flag, and the letter E. So Windows and E. And also the so-called My Computer opens, which is either File Explorer or This PC. Even if you open a folder, let's say that one, This PC is in the same place. It's there. So you can access it from multiple locations. You can go to the start menu and you can type in Explorer and click on File Explorer, which is the same thing as This PC, because This PC is here and you can access your partitions. If you type in My Computer, then you can use This PC.